One of the world's most livable cities has become one of its most polluted.
Unfortunately, Ms. Jakupovic is unable to continue.
The haze hit as the international spotlight is on the Australian Open. Slovenian Dalila Jakupovic retired from her qualifier after a coughing fit.
This is new for all of us.
The air turned hazardous overnight as smoke settled on the city after being blown in from fires in the state's east. By sunrise, conditions had only improved to very poor and stayed that way through the day.
I walk to work every day, so this wasn't going to stop me, although I'm struggling a little bit with the air.
I've ridden in from Blackburn and it's probably the last kilometre I've sort of felt it in the chest a little bit.
Conditions were even worse closer to the fire grounds in the northeast and East Gippsland, with the air remaining hazardous all day.
When you get to the hazardous range, really anyone can develop symptoms. There's eye and throat and nose irritation. People can have a cough develop or worsening of cough or even wheeze.
Paramedics have already seen a spike in patients with breathing issues.
Although it started as wood fire smoke, it actually picks up other particles along the way, and in Melbourne it can also have diesel and pollens attached to it.
The construction union told builders to stop outdoor activities today, and Melbourne's public pools were off limits.
The poor people in Gippsland, they're the ones that should be worried, not us.
It's devastating really what's happening around Australia at the moment.
Getting hold of a protective face mask has been a challenge. Many hardware stores have sold out and the major chains are scrambling to top up supplies. Now leading pollution experts are questioning the health advice offered.
We don't have a lot of evidence about the effect or effectiveness of, for example, masks or air filtration devices.
Professor Guy Marks says very little is known about the long-term effects of smoke, but he's leading a team of researchers now planning to change that.
This is a new reality that we're living with, and we need to know more about what those health effects are.
The unhealthy air caused tennis practice to be suspended and qualifying matches to be delayed.
And we're not going to put them in harm's way or make any decision that's going to negatively impact their health and well-being.
At Kooyong, players took matters into their own hands.
Players are feeling the smoke and we're going to stop the match at this point.
Yeah, it's been a little bit rough, especially in the second set.
We can expect more of this tomorrow. The Weather Bureau says skies won't clear until night time. And after a breather on Thursday and Friday, the smoke could be back by Saturday. And considering the fires are likely to burn until an autumn drenching, it could be weeks until the skyline is fully restored. James Hancock, ABC News, Melbourne.